Are you a mobile content creator or filmmaker struggling to stay in frame with your smartphone's back camera? Today, I got a game changer for you. The Newmowa Vlog Screen PH01 Max-NMW. Let's dive in. What's going on, you wonderful people? I'm Brandon, and welcome to CraytonTv. So yes, today we'll be checking out a Newmowa vlog screen made for smartphones. This one strictly here is made for iPhones, but they do have another one that is made for Android phones. But since I have an iPhone, I'll be showing you guys the iPhone version. Both basically the same. So we're gonna be checking out what's in the boxing. Let's check out the packaging right here itself. So this is a vlog screen. So if you're a mobile content creator or a filmmaker, just like myself, that creates all their videos with their phones, but you do have a problem like you're using your back camera and you never can tell if you're in frame. Well, this is the solution that will help you out right here. It does have a built-in battery. It's a 3.9-inch screen, wireless connectivity, and this one does work on iPhone 15, 16, 14, 13, 12, etc. And then they have an Android version also. Disclaimer, no, this video here is not being sponsored at all. I did purchase the Newmowa vlog screen for my smartphone with my own money. In the box, what do we get in the Newmowa vlog screen? Here's the back of the specs, which I will put over the screen. So we got, first you get a USB-C, the USB-C cable. You get also a USB-C to USB-A cable. Here's your little warranty and some instruction guides how to use it and set it up, the features. Check it out. You also get a Bluetooth remote. Comes with a phone holder. It says the magnetized right here. You get a thread jack so you can thread it onto a tripod. You can even put a light on top or microphone, but then you also get a little carrying pouch, nice quality. And you get the Newmowa vlog screen, model number on the back. So on top here, what we get, you got your power button, so the B button, and then you have monitor and N. On the bottom, you got your charging for USB-C if you want to plug it in. So you got the power button, screen 180, rotation. You can press the power button and rotate the screen 180. You got screen mirroring, switch button, brightness adjustment button. That's what it is. That's what the B button is. So let's check it out. Power button, not it. Oh, there we go. So there you go. So now it's on. You can cast it to your phone. It does stick on the back, so it is magnetized, which is pretty cool. So checking out some of the settings right here. So it tells you step 1, connect the device's Wi-Fi. Step 2, you can cast to the phone. Okay, so here's what it looks like on your phone when it's connected with the case. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max that it's connected to. And you can see I do have the first generation of the DJI mic on here. So that's what I do use to record my videos. As for a setup, so when you put it onto your, I got the phone mount backwards, but technically when you put it onto your tripod, you got the thread mount here. So when you do set it on there, it's not obstructing the camera, as you can see. But yeah, so this is how my setup would be. So if you have a setup like mine, or you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, and you want to be able to record 4K 30 FPS, you can take the required USB-C cable and plug it into your device's charging port, whether you're using Lightning or USB-C. If you have a wireless setup like mine, you want to plug it into your wireless receiver's setup. So there you go. I go on the phone and you see that I am there. So if I wanted to do a complete, 180 rotation, you press the power button. Now let me show you how to do it without the cable and all this. The way you will set this up, it says step 1, connect the device to the device's Wi-Fi. So you want to go to your settings and then you click on Wi-Fi and it should pop up in other networks, and which is the PH01. You'll connect to that and then enter the password that it gives you. Hit join and then it should be connected. It says to cast to the phone screen. So you want to pull down your control center and click on screen mirroring, and then it'll pop up right there, the PH right there. Now it's letting you know that it's connected. Tell that it's connected right here. So what you want to do is you want to go to your camera, and now when you're recording, you see that it's all connected and everything else. And this is the wireless way. So here's how the setup will completely be. That's what my setup is strictly is, but you can see that I can see myself perfectly in frame, making sure that I do have the first generation, like I said before, first generation DJI mic. So when you use the DJI mic, you also got to make sure that it's fully plugged in, or you won't be able to control your camera itself. So the Newmowa vlog screen. Pretty awesome, right? Pretty great device. Let's check it out one more time with the little features. So you do have your power button, which is located right here. You have 3 levels of brightness, which is right here. You have a normal mode and a mirror mode for the switch. If you switch it over to mirror mode, it just makes it flip reverse. So I just turn it off and leave it on normal mode. On the back side, you do have your charging connector that's right here. And you have your data for when you want to use wired mode. So you can use this Newmowa vlog screen in 4K 30 FPS, but they require you to use the cable, so you have to use it in wired. I did use it in wireless just to test it out, and there was a little lag and latency. You can see that the screen catch up and freeze, so it's better to use it with the wired connection. But in using it wirelessly, you are able to use 1080p 30 FPS or 60 FPS just fine, and it works great just to be able to get the job done. This device here has Wi-Fi connectivity on it, so you can connect to this device if you want to just use it strictly wirelessly, or connect it to your home's Wi-Fi and be able to cast it for faster operational. So me, I'm probably use this more often, connecting it to my home's Wi-Fi and casting it because it was faster that way. And the good thing about it is the phone mount that comes with this is magnetized. So when you set this in and it sets on top of the phone, you can see yourself. If you don't want to place it there, you can place it in, get you more leeway to place it other places. That way you can see yourself like, okay, I'm in frame. I'm not in frame right now because it's not connected. This device here is right now is $59.99 on Amazon. I will leave a little affiliation link down below if you want to get yourself one. This is the iPhone model. I also will leave an Android model down there in the description box down below. I think they're both the same price, but make sure for the Android one, it doesn't support all Android phones, so make sure you read the description for the Android one. But I know it did say something on there about Galaxies and maybe the Google Pixels. I'm not too sure, but this one here is strictly made for the iPhones. So let me know what you think about it. The Newmowa vlog screen. You can use this if you are a daily vlogger, but me, I'm not a daily vlogger. I'm just a content creator that creates all his videos using his smartphone. So I figured this little device will help me out. So let me know if anything else you would like to know about the Newmowa vlog screen. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to like this video, subscribe if you are new. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next upload.